Okay, so have you heard of this diet with basically one rule? Eat only animal products. Yep, that's the carnivore diet.
It is absolutely one of social media's most controversial diets, and it is blown up everywhere.
So, is eating just meat, eggs, and dairy a miracle cure, or is it a huge health hazard?
The idea is simple. You only eat animal foods. That means things like fruits, veggies, and grains are out.
So you've got two camps. One calls it a health revolution, the other a dangerous fad. Let's look at the data.
A 2020 survey gives us a pretty good look. Researchers talked to people on the diet for at least 6 months.
And how many people? Just over 2,000. That's a decent sample size to see what's going on.
And look at this. Their top reasons were things like weight, energy, and allergies. It's about health goals.
Okay, so what did these people actually say happened? Well, the results they reported were really positive.
Get this. A whopping 95% said their overall health and well-being got better. That's huge.
And for participants with diabetes, their BMI dropped by a median of 4.3 points. That's a big deal.
Even more wild, 92% of those with type 2 diabetes actually stopped taking their insulin completely.
The study concluded that people felt great and had few bad effects, but that's not the whole story.
Because that same study found LDL cholesterol, the bad kind, was markedly elevated. That's not good.
So yeah, good cholesterol improved, but that LDL spike is a major red flag for the scientific community.
Experts are worried about some serious risks, like missing key vitamins and having zero dietary fiber.
Which is why most dietitians and doctors just call it an extreme fad diet. It's just too restrictive.
So this is the big dilemma, right? You have amazing personal stories on one side and serious medical concerns on the other.
Basically, if you had a bad time, you probably quit the diet and therefore weren't in the survey.
So it leaves us with this huge question. Are the short-term wins worth the unknown long-term risks?